The Forex foreign exchange market is the largest and most liquid financial market in the world. Here are some key details about its size and liquidity. Market size 1. Daily trading volume. As of 2022, the average daily trading volume in the Forex market is over $6.6 trillion. This immense volume surpasses the daily trading volume of all other financial markets combined. 2. Global reach. The Forex market operates 24 hours a day, 5 days a week, with trading centers located in major global financial hubs like London, New York, Tokyo, and Sydney. This continuous operation facilitates around-the-clock trading and contributes to its massive size. Participants. The market comprises a diverse group of participants, including central banks, financial institutions, corporations, hedge funds, and individual retail traders. Each group contributes to the overall volume and liquidity. Liquidity. 1. High liquidity. The Forex market's vast size ensures high liquidity, meaning large trades be executed with minimal price impact. This high liquidity also results in tight bid-ask spreads, reducing trading costs. 2. Major currency pairs. The most liquid currency pairs are the major pairs, such as EUSD, GBP USD, and USD CHF. These pairs benefit from the highest trading volumes and, consequently, the tightest spreads. 3. Market depth. The Forex market's depth allows for substantial transaction sizes without significant price fluctuations. This is crucial for large institutional players who need to move large sums of money efficiently. Key advantages of high liquidity. 1. Reduced transaction costs. Tight spreads lower the cost of trading, making it more cost-effective for traders. 2. Efficient price discovery. High liquidity ensures that prices reflect all available information and market conditions, leading to more accurate pricing. 3. Flexibility. Traders can enter and exit positions with ease, providing flexibility and minimizing the risk of slippage. Conclusion. The Forex market's unparalleled size and liquidity make it an attractive venue for a wide range of market participants. Its extensive daily trading volume, global reach, and diverse participant base contribute to its status as the most liquid financial market, offering numerous advantages such as low transaction costs, efficient price discovery, and flexibility in trading.